Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can enhance your audio on AI. So let's get started without wasting any time. You can see there's this interface on my screen. You can access it for free by using the link in my description, and let's get started. So now you can see there's this try now button. You just have to click this button. After you click this button, you are gonna land on this site where you can just upload your audio and it will magically turn it into an enhanced audio. So let's get started with uploading the audio. You can see there is this 4 options. I am going to choose this one. You can see it says upload an audio file. I'm going to click this and it will take me to my computer library, and then I'm going to upload a sound from there and come back. Now you can see that I uploaded this song and it has magically enhanced my song already. It just enhances it right after you upload it. Now you can select the file type for the best results. I'm going to choose video because this is a sound from video, and then you have to click confirm. Now you have to provide an email to get your results, and I'm going to just paste it over here, and then I'm going to click confirm. And you can see that my audio will be emailed to me, and also I can download it from here. Now you have to read this note. It says audio files that contain little or no background noise will not benefit from this enhancement. So example, high quality music. So you can see that this note is really important. Just make sure you upload it accordingly. And this is my enhanced video, and this was the process. These were the easy few steps that you have to follow to enhance your audios for free on AI. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.